green screen, portable green screen. This is how it comes right out the box. Right, it just saves you the trouble. It just comes straight in the box. It's a manual. Simple manual. Alright, so let's go to the next step. Clean it up. Alright, so we got these two latches. Assuming you just take these off. It doesn't. Okay, open. Okay. Razor track. Alright, so you gotta put out these little struts right there. They don't lock in or anything, you can move them to any, but obviously you just want to make them 90 degrees. Alright, let's pull it up. Alright, let's see. Oh yeah, this is nice. Yeah, it's huge. Let's look at the back. Alright, so boom, this is the green screen setup, right? As you can see, it does have the way it is from the angle, and it's straight on, but the camera part's like slightly angled, but there's not enough space for me. But I have like a really good software. I use Ecamm Live, but yeah, so that's kind of like the size of it. It's not the biggest, but it is tall, so that's really good. So if you're doing a standing shot, it should cover. It's like well over 6 feet if you pull it up all the way. But width, it's not as wide, but it definitely works though. Just the ease of use. You could have a bigger setup. You could even paint your walls green, but to me it's great. I've been waiting for something like this for a long time. Just a quick, easy setup. Alright, so let me show it to you all set up. So, boom. Now I'm in my nice office. I'm doing live streams. People are like, oh nice little loft right there. Let's pick another one. These are the ones that come with Ecamm. Ooh, you stay at the beach. Okay. Oh, Brick City. Oh nice, we got a castle, colorful shelf. And some of these I'll zoom out depending on what it is, but we got a tunnel up in here, boy. Alright, so it's pretty cool. Really default to my apartment, or I got another little apartment. Yeah, so I think it's definitely really good. It's a great material. The housing is really good. It's kind of like it's a really hard plastic, and some parts are metal, like the handles. So trust me, it's not going anywhere. You can definitely just put this in your garage, or put this in your media room or behind the couch. No one would even know what it is, and then you just fold it up whenever you want. And it's even good, decent for travel. If you're going somewhere, you gotta do a green screen for somebody, or you're helping like somebody else. Especially now with COVID, people stay home, they want to see their loved ones. It's nice if you're setting up. You could just bring a little camera, 1080p camera, green screen, your software, and you're all set. The picture and everything. You got the square, round, classic. You got the wide. Well, wide, you see. Kind of shows, but I would know that beforehand. But so yeah, I think it's cool, man. It's great, man. It definitely brings up your quality. People do notice that. You might not get 1 million subscribers, but you'll definitely get quality subscribers. People look at the content you're putting out, and it's definitely worth it. I got mine for like 150 or so from Amazon. The price does vary though. That is straight. I've seen it in like maybe 220 and above, but I've seen it, you know, about as low as I got it, like 150. I've been eyeing it for a while, but I bought other stuff, you know, like my audio interface. There was some other like important things that I needed to get, but I would say no, it definitely worked on Elgato green screen. Definitely try it. Alright, this is Big Toad. No.